Today we are cooking recipes straight out of the Stardew Valley Cookbook. The two recipes voted by my Twitch chat were banana pudding and Maki Rolls. I've been playing Stardew Valley for a couple of years now, and recently one of my subscribers decided to give me the Stardew Valley Cookbook. When I got this book, I was very excited. I went through the recipes and I made a poll on the Discord, and chat voted on which recipes we were going to try. The cookbook is so interesting and I was really excited to try it out, try the recipes, and some things worked better than others. But one recipe completely surprised me in a very positive way. Stick around and you will find out exactly why. We got our cookbook, banana pudding, and our ingredients. Surprisingly very few ingredients. You think this one would be too small? We put 3 cups of milk. We're gonna heat it up on medium heat. We're gonna wait 6 to 8 minutes until the milk is warm. So we can do the second part. We're gonna add the sugar. 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. Is that what makes the pudding be thick? So we need to put the egg yolks. Only the yolks. So we need somewhere to put the white. Oh my god, that looks nice. Beautiful, isn't it? I think that looks pretty smooth. Let's go check on the milk. I'm gonna turn it off. We're gonna put a little bit here so that it's like a gradual thing. And then we're gonna put all of the contents from here into the pan. Yo, stirring with my left is just not it. Is this a good moment to say that I've never in my life made pudding? I have no idea what I'm doing. I mean, I'm just following a recipe. It smells good. I have to say, it would be nice if you guys could smell what's happening here. And now we return it here. And I think we're supposed to stir it. Oh my god, we have to be here until it starts bubbling. And it says that it could be 20 minutes. Are we gonna stay here, sitting, stirring for 20 minutes? Oh, you can see what I'm doing here. Look, I'm mashing a banana. It's not ripe enough, but it will do. This is because I couldn't find the liquor. I'm just gonna use the banana instead. So the pudding tastes like banana. I don't know if that's gonna work. It's my unique twist to the recipe. Hopefully it won't ruin the entire thing. It's the best I could do. Oh, it's bubbly, it's bubbly. Okay, we can add the vanilla extract. And now the butter, it has to melt. And now we have to put it on the bowl. Okay, we're gonna spoon it here. Are you guys also scared when you have to spoon something really hot in a glass container, or is it just me? I just want to kind of dip it in here instead of spooning it in here. Why does the recipe says we have to spoon it? Oh, it smells really nice. That's it. That's our pudding. So this one has to be here for 15 minutes before going to the coal. Here is the assortment of ingredients that will all go in the mixer to make the vanilla wafers. Mixing always takes forever on camera, so here's the fast version. I have no idea what cookie dough is supposed to look like. You're sure it's fine? It's fine. Everything will be fine. I put the cream on the mixer and hoped that it would whip correctly. And while that was going, I chopped the bananas. This part was the most fun. You can start see everything coming together into something that looks like the real deal. Now that dessert is on the refrigerator, we can start making dinner. Who's hungry? That's my zucchini. That is half a cup of peppers because we just realized I don't have any carrot. Whoops. Oh, it looks so red. This sushi rice sauce is super simple and it was so tasty. Just rice vinegar, sugar, and salt. So this is spicy mayo smoked salmon. Here in Portugal, I cannot easily find salmon for sushi, so I went with smoked salmon. the recipe called for cucumber, but I prefer zucchini. Definitely not Stardew Valley accurate, but hey, it's what I had on hand. Now the moment of truth, getting the rice on the nori without destroying it. Easier said than done. Okay, let's see if we can do this. I haven't done this in such a long time. Oh no, one of the thingies. It's too thick. It's too thick. Look how thick it is. This knife is not sharp at all. What do you think? Does it look like everything you ever wanted? This is my dinner. The problem with this one is I'm gonna tell you the problem. I made this problem for myself. It's too big. This is not how you eat it. You have to eat it all in one bite. But it's so thick. It's actually good. I'm surprised at myself. What the hell? It's actually good. It's my first time making the rice being just right. Maybe I'll keep this rice recipe. Because the rice tastes really good. This one was a success, and now I'm just gonna eat. Guys, I'm just gonna do a quick taste tests before I end stream because this headache is not giving. This headache is killing me. And I'm not gonna eat the full thing because the headache is like making me a bit nauseous. But this, look, I think the cookies should have been like half of the size, right? Whoa! Falling on. I mean, look at that. The cookie. You think it looks great? The cookie is my spoon. I mean, no idea what it was supposed to taste like, but it tastes good. This is supposed to be banana pudding. It tastes very much like banana. It does not match the picture. It's true. But it tastes really good. I feel like because the cookies, I feel like what we in Portugal call pudding, it's different from this. Like, this is like a custard cream is what this pudding is like. It's tasty, it's sweet, and you know, the cookie mixed with the custard, it's like a really good mix. I like the balance. So that was my first attempt to use Stardew Valley recipes from the Stardew Valley Cookbook. How did you guys like that? Next video, we're going to focus on autumn/fall recipes. At least one of them will have pumpkins. Let me know if you're excited for that. And if you enjoy this, don't forget to subscribe. And if you don't want to leave the Pattyverse, I suggest you watch this video over here where I talk about my language learning journey. See you guys next time. Bye!